open the glove box. There's these two little lock tabs right here. You can fold the glove box in a little bit. Just these tabs do come out, so when you go to install it, you can pull these out just like that. You can do that on both sides. And then just grab the glove box and slide it out. There's some clips. There's a door right here. Just push this tab to the side. There's another one right there. Fold the door down. And there's a lock right here. You might need a pick to get this lock. Just take a pick and just unlock that little lock tab right there. And you can see there's a lot of debris in here. I'm just going to take a vacuum and suck some of that out first. Just grab my pick and carefully slide it out. There's a bunch of leaves on top. You want to try to get all the leaves and everything to come out with the cabin filter, because you don't want them to drop in to where the blower motor is, especially acorns. Vacuum this up a little bit. This is why it's important that you replace this. If you wait too long, like this one is probably original, it's probably been in there for over 100,000 miles, and it gets really dirty like this. But if you do it on a regular basis, you'll be a lot better off. And here's the new one. You want to see what direction the airflow is, the arrow going down. So we can just slide this in position. And if you replace this regularly, you don't have to vacuum it out like we did. And just push that in and close the door. And latch these bottom pieces in. Line that up there and line it up over here. And we'll take these clips, slide that in position. Take this one, slide this in. Just got to make sure the door is a little bit closed. There you go. All right, now double check, make sure the glove box works, and you're good to go.